Do you love to travel? But do you hate carrying around a heavy, bulky umbrella? If so, you're in luck. The portable travel umbrella is the perfect solution for you. This lightweight umbrella is perfect for carrying on hikes, camping trips, or simply to work or school. It folds up to a compact size that fits easily in your purse, backpack, or even your pocket. But don't let its small size fool you. The portable travel umbrella is made from high-quality materials and is built to last. It can withstand even the strongest winds and rain. And because it's water-resistant, you can be sure to stay dry, no matter what the weather throws your way. Here are just a few of the benefits of using the portable travel umbrella. It's lightweight and easy to carry. It's made from high-quality materials. It's water-resistant. It's affordable. It comes in a variety of colors to choose from. So if you're looking for a portable travel umbrella that's both stylish and functional, the portable travel umbrella is the perfect choice for you. Order yours today and see the difference. In addition to the above, here are some other things you could mention in your intro video. How easy the umbrella is to open and close. How well it protects you from the sun and rain. How durable it is. How affordable it is where people can buy it. You could also use the intro video to show people how to use the umbrella and how to fold it up. You could also show them how it looks when it's in use.